Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you this moist and soft, delicious banana cake. So first of all, you start off with one banana. We're only doing one banana here, and all ingredients will be in the link in description as usual. You're gonna smash the banana very, very finely. You want the banana to be fully smashed. Once you have fully smashed the bananas, set them aside and let's start with the main batter. So put in your oil, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Add in an egg and give everything a very good mix. You do not need any fancy equipment like a hand mixer or stand mixer. Just a good wooden spoon or a whisk will do. Once you have mixed everything very well, add in your smashed banana inside and mix everything till smooth. Once everything has been well incorporated, add in your dry ingredients such as your self-raising flour, baking powder, and ground mixed spice. You can use cinnamon instead, but I feel like ground mixed spice gives it more of a flavor and it tastes a lot better. And you get a bit of everything. You get cinnamon, cardamom, everything. Once everything is well mixed, add in your milk. And please, if you've watched this video so far, please support me by liking and subscribing and sharing my video with your friends. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you. Pour your batter into a greased cake pan of your choice and bake at 175 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. You know your cake is baked when the toothpick is inserted and it comes out clean. Your cake should come out moist and fluffy like this. See you guys in the next one. Happy baking!